Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to provide the solution to this question. We are asked to find the value of a, given that 1 divided by 8 plus 1 divided by 8 plus 1 divided by 8 plus 1 divided by 8, all enclosed in a bracket, to the power of root of a is equal to 256. So we have 1 divided by 8 into 4 places. So if we add it, we are going to have 4 multiplied by 1 divided by 8. And everything here is enclosed in a bracket to the power of root of a equal to 256. So at this point, we can further simplify. If 4 divides itself, we have 1. 8 divided by 4, we have 2. So at this point, we have 1 divided by 2, all to the power of root of a equal to 256. So from indices, we know that if I have 1 divided by a, this can be expressed as a to the power of negative 1. Also, I have 1 divided by 2. This becomes 2 to the power of negative 1, all enclosed in a bracket, all raised to the power of root of a equal to, now at this point, I have 2 as a base here. So also I can express 256 in the power of base 2, and this is equal to 2 to the power of 8. Now, negative 1 times root a is negative root a, which is equal to 2 to the power of 8. Now, their bases are the same. We can equate their index. So we have that negative root a is equal to 8. Now in the question, we are asked to find a, not negative root a. So we have to take the square of both sides to eliminate the radical sign. Now recall that if I have minus root a all squared, this is also minus 1 times root a all squared. And from the product power law of indices, this becomes minus 1 all squared times root a all squared. Minus 1 all squared is 1 times, at this point, the square will take out the root. We have times a, which is still equal to a, because 1 times a is a. So therefore, we have it that at this point, the value here is a equal to 8 to the power of 2 is 64. Thus, the value of a in this question is equal to 64. Thank you so much for watching. And if you know you found the video helpful, please encourage us by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and I will see you in my next video.